Hello everybody, I'm Errol. Welcome to Supreme DPF Cleaning YouTube video channel. Today we are test driving Transit custom van which came in with the DPF issues as usual, EGR, other problems, power loss, lots of engine lights. All has been solved. What can you say your van? How was it driving and how is it now?
Well, since I gave it to Errol, the response on the actual engine side of it is immense, really. The actual power it gives me now is a lot more than what I had before. It feels like a new van, so yeah, I'm really happy. There's no black smoke or anything that comes out the back that's been an
What
issue.
is your satisfaction rate?
I'd say maybe a 9 out of 10.
Okay, so he's not 100% happy, satisfied, but anyway, I am okay with 9 out of 10. Thank you for watching. We are www.supremedpfcleaning.com, located in Bromley, Kent. DPF is what we know. You can contact us on 07533 636 194 with your DPF, EGR and the turbo, even injector issues. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas.